Hey all, welcome back to Mess with Mopars. Just a little update here on what we got going on with the Super Bee. So we got passenger side door card or quarter window card in, the finish panel there on. We've got the rear deck lid that I painted yesterday installed. I'll have to touch up the roll bar a little bit here and there. I beat it up a little bit on the way through. Oh, there's what my wife was doing yesterday. She's making one of those fishing pond games, I guess they're called. So she's got a barbecue to go with for the kids to do. And then on this side, trying to get my fingers in there, we got both window felts in there. And messing up my mullet. There we go. That's all in. Looks pretty good. Windows probably less vibrating than it was before. Hopefully Lori will give me a new sticker. I think she will. I like the old ones though. There you go. So that's that. So now we're going to work on the driver's side. And so like I was saying earlier, where is it? There's the door card, or the quarter window card. I got it right here in my hand. I'll try not to bang it around too much. So first thing I got to do is take this off, and you can see right there. Not sure what the wire was, but whatever. So I'll pull this off, and then we'll do the pop rivet thing again, and then we'll put it together. So there you go. That's what we're doing right now, and once we get that done, I got some shuffling to do, so we'll see what happens. I got to run a power cable from front of the car to the back, just for future. You never know. All right, have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for coming along for the ride. I gotta remember to do that stuff. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Yeah, and appreciate all of you. All right, have a great day.